Electrical wiring color code is a standardized system of wire color coding used to identify and understand the various wires used in an electrical circuit. Understanding the color code is crucial for safe and efficient electrical installations and maintenance. However, wiring colors may vary depending on the country or region. In this video, we will explore the variations in wire color coding practices in different countries and regions. It's important to note that wiring color codes are specified according to different power distribution branch circuits. Therefore, to aid understanding, all the mentioned color code for electrical wiring is to transmit three-phase AC current from the mains. In three-phase power systems, circuits will use 5 wires: three-phase wires, neutral wire, and earth or protective grounding wire. Most of Europe abides by IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission, wiring color codes for AC branch circuits. As per IEC, the wiring color codes for a three-phase 5-wire system are defined as follows. Brown is used for the first phase, L1. The second phase, L2, is represented with black color, and gray is used for the third phase, L3, in some countries. In European wiring, blue is universally used to denote the neutral conductor. This wire completes the circuit and carries the return current. Throughout Europe, green with a yellow stripe is used for the protective conductor, commonly known as the earth or grounding wire. This wire provides protection against electrical faults and ensures safety. The UK's current wiring color codes are harmonized with Europe's power cable color coding, namely the IEC. According to this standard, the AC wiring color codes are as follows. Brown wires are used for live or phase conductors. Black live wires can be found as line 2 in three-phase wiring. The gray live wire is the line 3 live wire. Blue wires indicate neutral conductors, and green and yellow striped wires are employed for protective earthing or grounding. In North American countries, the wire color scheme is different from their European counterparts. In the United States, the standard wiring color code is established by the National Electrical Code, NEC. The color codes for AC power wires are as follows. Typically, there are 2 electrical application settings to be considered in the US AC power circuit wiring color codes. In home and office environments, AC power systems commonly operate at voltages of 120, 208, or 240 volts. The following color codes are typically used in these settings. Black wires are typically used for phase 1 live or hot conductors. The red wire is a phase 2 hot wire. The blue wire is a phase 3 hot wire. White wires indicate neutral conductors. And green with a yellow stripe or bare copper wires are employed for protective earthing or grounding. Higher voltages such as 277 or 480 volts are commonly used in industrial settings to power heavy machinery and equipment. The color codes for AC power in industrial applications are as follows. In industrial three-phase power supply, the combination of brown, orange, and yellow wires are used as power conductors. Gray wires are for neutral wires, and green with yellow stripe or bare copper for ground wires. In Canada, the wire color coding follows the Canadian Electrical Code, CEC. The color code for AC power wiring is similar to the NEC in the United States. The three-phase lines from L1 to L3 are red, black, and blue. The neutral is white. The protective ground is green or green with yellow stripe. In Asia, wiring color codes can also vary significantly from one country to another. The various countries have their own wiring color standards for electrical circuits. Here are some examples of wiring codes in Asian countries. In India, the standard for electrical wiring color code is based on the Indian electricity rules and the Indian standard IS 694. In case of a three-phase power supply, the wire color codes include red for phase 1, yellow for phase 2, blue for phase 3, black for neutral conductor, and green or green and yellow striped wires for protective earthing or grounding.
In Russia, the electrical wiring colors for AC three-phase systems adhere to specific standards to ensure safety and consistency in electrical installations. The preferred wiring color codes for a three-phase, 5-wire system in Russia are: brown wires are used for phase 1, black wires for phase 2, gray wire for phase 3, light blue wires for neutral connections, and green with yellow stripe indicates protective earth conductors. The following wiring color codes are used in China for three-phase AC supplies. In China, typical wire colors used in three-phase wiring are yellow for line 1, green for line 2, red for line 3, light blue or black for neutral, and green with yellow stripe for ground wires. So that's all for our general guide on wire color codes that are implemented in some major countries and regions. And again, all these color codes involved are standardized to differentiate between the different phases as well as neutral and grounding wires in a three-phase electrical system. It's important to note that these are general guidelines, and specific applications or local regulations may introduce additional colors or modifications. So it's essential to consult with local codes and standards when working with electrical wiring. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this quick guide helped you be informed. If so, do give it a like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more informative videos in the future. We'll see you until next time.